What's up, guys? Welcome back to Trading Like Magic, and today is 10 2021, and our crypto market sentiment analysis today is greed. Coin market cap today: Bitcoin flat, Ethereum, Binance Coin 4% up, Cardano 6.51% up, Uniswap 5% up, Chainlink 4% up, Litecoin 7% ICP 11% up, Stellar 3.49% up, Crypto Bubbles all green, ICP 83% up, Ravencoin 101% up, Hot 45.9% up, AAVE 22.9% up, XS 44.8% up, AVAX 27.7% up. Alright guys, green day. Okay, crypto index, it broke on this trend line or this channel here, but on the 4-hour chart, I see this wedge, and right now it's also creating ascending channel. Let's adjust this wedge. Okay, something like this, I guess. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Barely touching the 1 and the 4. Could be technically incorrect, but let's see. There's a ascending channel here right now, so let's see if the price will go for an ABC correction. Bitcoin on the monthly chart, we talk about this every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are in a bull run. So since May and June, guys, I told you we are in a bull run. So July, August will be a green month, and it did. See, every day, guys, I talk to you about this. Check my videos, guys. This is July, August would be a green month. So September, we might see a pullback on the daily chart. I posted this one last August. Ta-da! To here now. So our target is somewhere here. It's almost touched now. So this is the one. But on the 4-hour chart though, I see ascending channel. So let's be careful. Okay, Ethereum on the monthly chart, same as Bitcoin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are on the bull run. So let's see the price if it'll go to the all-time high. Let's monitor the price. Initial target is the all-time high. On the daily chart, it broke on this descending channel, but on the 4-hour chart, I see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fourth wave barely touches the wave 1, so this is a valid count. So I see a double top here. So let's see if might go for a correction. ABC. We'll monitor the price, but don't worry, ABC. And another one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Okay, Dogecoin, this is the one. So I posted this one July 21st. Ta-da! Just like magic, guys. From here to here, that's already, now it's at 24 cents. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see on this $29. That's our target for now, or just the previous high of this, so $28. On the 1-hour chart, I see a triangle. So pretty much this will pop up to the upside. Shiba Inu, I posted this one July 25th. Ta-da! Just like magic, guys. So there you go, guys. So there's a trend line here. So let's see if the price will break on this trend line. ICP, I posted this one July 28th. Actually another post here since from here. Ta-da! Just like magic, guys. Now we're here. So from here to here, that's you double your money in a week. I posted this one July 18. Ta-da! Just like magic, guys. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, I posted this one last July 24th. Ta-da! Price is already here. So guys, just follow my trades here at Trading Like Magic. I post the link below, so check it out. And I think that's it, guys. So sorry I didn't make a video yesterday because I brought my kids to the city, and so we went for a swim, and the kids really enjoy and did some little bit shopping there. And yeah, but yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, guys, and bye bye. God bless. Bye bye.